Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my July kit lineup. And so these are the 5 kits that I will be using for the month of July. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at them. So as we're getting started, I first want to give a big shout out to Planners and Tacos and Gabrielle Plans. They both inspired this video. Both of them have July kit lineup videos on their channel. So if you like these types of videos and want to see more, definitely go and check theirs out. So this is the kit that I will be using for the first week of July, which is actually the week of June 28th through July 4th. And so this is the kit that I selected. It's from Mini Riot Co. I saw it and I thought the nautical theme was absolutely adorable and perfect for this week because I always like to use a kit that has some blue and white in it. I'm not a big fan of the color red, but I always try to make sure that on my 4th of July week, I have some blue in the kit that I'm using. I guess I feel like in my head that compensates, right? I don't know. Anywho, this kit is foiled with silver foil. It has beautiful nautical images. I love all of the pink blushy tones in this kit. So super cute. And this has got silver foil on it. So this is the kit that I will be using for that week because I thought this was definitely going to be appropriate for my 4th of July week. There was some deco that she released at the same time, which was really great. She included it with my order. She has with her deco, she's got 2 different types. The frame style of deco and then this style where it's got just like the floral bunches and then the nautical themed deco, which I think both of these are so perfect, and this is going to give me so much to work with and I'm going to have the best time playing around with all of this deco because it's perfect. Also love that this was actually the $75 freebie that was included with my order, which is so fantastic because these date covers are absolutely so beautiful. And my favorites, I think the date covers that came with the kit are super cute, but I really fell in love with these, and so I think I'll be using these. There's also an add-on with the dates and scripts, which is really cute because oftentimes kits don't come with date dots, so that was really nice. So this is the kit that I will be using for the first week of July. I'm switching things up with the way that I film for YouTube because I'm getting ready to go back to work and working in the office, and what I realized is the best thing for me to do is to shift to where I'm just using a functional planner that I don't decorate throughout the week and just write everything down, then sit down on the weekends or whenever I get a chance and just do like memory planning where I decorate with stickers and film that and edit it and get that uploaded for you guys. I think that's gonna be the most efficient way for me to continue keeping up with my channel as my schedule gets busier and I go back to doing normal things. That's been the biggest thing on my mind lately, is trying to figure out how to continue on with my channel with all of the changes that are getting ready to happen. So that's my current plan. We'll see how that works out. All right, second kit for the month of July. This is going to be for the week of July 5th through the 12th, and this is the week that I go back to the office, and so I purchased this kit specifically for this week. It's from Station Stickers. It was my first time actually ordering from her, and I fell in love with the artwork in this kit because it was so office themed, and I loved the mint colorway. I just think the images in this are so gorgeous, and we have to talk about the colors in this kit in particular because it's got this gorgeous mint, beautiful, that butter yellow I'm in love with, and then this cream colorway. I'm so obsessed with all of the colors in this kit. I just think it's phenomenal, and I'm really excited to play around with this. I'm also excited because this gives me an opportunity to play around with adding foil to a kit that doesn't have foil in it, which is something I really enjoy doing. My first thought is silver foil, and I think that's what I'm going to go with. But also, oh my gosh, we have to talk about how perfect this floral deco from Sadie Stickers is, because it's got that gorgeous mint green color for the flowers, which is a perfect match, and then also the beautiful butter yellow. I was just like, when I saw that, I was like, yes, these are gonna match this so perfectly and look so good with this spread. I'm so happy. And I was actually just watching Lauren from Plan Much Plan, her haul, and she was talking about just stocking up on the floral deco sheets from Sadie Stickers because they come in handy and you can end up pulling them in with a lot of different spreads, and she's very, very right. So that will be my kit for the week of July 5th through the 12th. At this point, I'm not certain if I will be filming this one for YouTube, but I've been trying to do more with sort of like live planning on Instagram, and I don't make any promises as to me going live on Instagram, but I do at least try. I try. So I'll see what happens. At this point, it's something I know I want to do and something that I want to give a try, but I have no idea how consistent I'll be able to be with Instagram lives. And so I don't like telling people that I'm going to do it, because then I never know if it's going to actually fit in my schedule. The third kit for the week of July 13th through the 19th, this is the summer season kit, which is the collab from Jackson Pepper and Gathered Plans. And this one, I wanted to get it into my planner as soon as possible, which is literally why I was like, I knew I had to have a 4th of July kit. I knew I had to have my back to work kit. And then this next available slot was the week that I was just like, oh, perfect. We're putting in the Jackson Pepper and Gathered Plans collab kit, because I could not be a prouder planner bestie, and I'm so hyped to use this kit. Also, it's so gorgeous and perfect for summer. I'm in love with these images. I love all of these florals. I've had similar artwork with these florals in it before, which like that was my first thought, was I know I have like some leftover deco from a kit that I used, but I think there's like so much deco in this kit already. And then I also have 2 pages of the deco sheet. I don't even think I'm going to need to pull in any additional deco that I even had left over. There was a Sadie stickers kit that I'd used that had that similar floral, and oh my gosh, I'm a huge fan. I have always thought that this was beautiful. The colors are amazing. The format of this kit is gorgeous, and I cannot wait to plan with this. I am going to try to film this spread for sure, because it's a very special spread and I want to have it on my channel. So I'm going to do my best to try to film this one. And as I'm saying that, I'm realizing I'm going to have a very busy filming time towards the end of the month of July, because the week after I am definitely filming this, because this kit is actually being used for a collab. If you are familiar with me and my channel and some of my planner friends, you probably know what collab I'm talking about. So this is going to be for the week of July 20th to the 26th, and I'm using this amazing kit from Two Little Bees. This is the Escape kit, and I was so hyped about this. And also, because this is a collab, I have so much. This is like the biggest kit that I think I've ever used in my life. In addition to the fact that, one, I didn't actually purchase this. Rachel purchased it, and she sent it to me because I wanted this kit, but it was sold out when I went to try to buy it from Two Little Bees. And it was so incredibly kind of her to send me this kit, because I am truly obsessed with it. It is foiled in gold foil. It's so beautiful. I love the double full boxes. I was able to pick up a couple of extras that were still in the shop, which literally were just like 2 things. It was like the extra full box and then one of these extra add-on sheets. So yeah, these 2 pages were the only 2 things from this kit that I was actually able to purchase myself, because everything else was sold out. And I love this full box so much. I just think it is so pretty. And so I've got these 2 deco add-ons that have tons of cute little florals in them. Also really love the little lemonade. So adorable. I feel like I'm showing this so out of order. Then we have full boxes, this page with more boxes, this page with page flags, headers, and more deco, our bottom washi and date covers. I've got 2 of this page, which has floral deco, plus all of these fantastic shapes and little fancy boxes with floral deco. And then this amazing page, which just has boxes, and it's like so amazing because it's quarter boxes, third boxes, and half boxes with no deco on them whatsoever. And they have that gorgeous ombre color. Oh, I'm so obsessed. But it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and technically a half, I guess, pages for a kit. I have never used a kit that is this big ever. And in fact, I actually tend to lean more towards mini kits than mega kits. So I have given myself more than plenty to work with for this spread, which I'm super happy about because I'm already intimidated by this collab and already just like, I think the more things I have, then there's no chance that I don't have everything I need. And I feel like that's gonna be a good thing. And then we have this last kit, which is the August kit from Sadie Stickers, which I'll be using for the week of July 27th through August 1st. And this kit is so incredibly beautiful. I always try to use one Sadie Stickers kit a month, and so this is perfect because we actually do have 5 weeks to go through for the month of August for that planner section, because there's a little bit of overlap at the beginning of with the month of June, and then at the end with like the very first day of August. So that ended up working out where I've got 5 kits for this particular month. This kit is one of my favorite kits from Sadie Stickers ever. The artwork is so pretty and so me. I love so many things about this, from the bicycle, the truck, the dress, the whole rose gold, all the pink. It's just perfection. So this will be the kit that I will be using, and I cannot wait to get it into my planner. Seriously, that bottom washi is just everything. And then I have 2 of the deco add-on sheets, which are amazing. I love that this has become something that's now standard with her kits, because these are so functional and useful, and she sells them separately so you can get as many sheets as you like. I definitely will not be filming this one because I know these 2 spreads back to back, I am definitely gonna want to break at the end of the month, and I'm gonna be like, no. But looking at what I have in my lineup, it looks like there should be 3 videos going up on my channel for the month of July, which is exciting. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm curious to see what kits you guys will be using for the month of July. If you want to do like an Instagram post, if you don't make YouTube videos, you can just post on Instagram the kits that you're going to use and tag me and let me know. Or you can leave a comment down below and let me know what kits you'll be using for this month. I think it would be so cool to know that. So let me know. Let's talk about some kits. And I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I will see you next video. Bye.